Coming to the top story we're tracking right now, and it has to do with the wrestlers versus Brij Bhushan case, which we have been seeing for the past few weeks now escalate. Now in the latest closure report of 550 pages to be submitted by the Delhi police in the POSCO case against Brij Bhushan before the Patiala House Court. In a parallel development, a 1,000-page charge sheet will be submitted by Delhi police in the Rouse Avenue Court in the wrestlers case. Let's go straight to Harsha, who's joining us live right now. Harsha, now what we are seeing is a movement. Take us through the latest coming in, because the latest is Delhi police will be submitting a 100-page charge sheet against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh today, that is Thursday.
Shivangi, a very important day, because the latest update which we are learning straight from the Patiala House Court is that the closure report has been submitted by the Delhi police official in the POSCO case, which was filed against Brij Bhushan initially by the wrestlers, but we knew the events which turned on the 1st of the June, where the father of the minor himself withdrew the complaint of the POSCO Act with the other sexual harassment cases in the other charge sheet, which is being filed in the Rouse Avenue Court, is being submitted by the Delhi police official. But this very important allegation of the sexual assault with minor, because this was one of the most grave allegation on the Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, which is now the closure report police have filed in the Patiala House Court, because Delhi police officials investigated and interrogated and went to the depth of the investigation that whether the minor wrestler was actually sexually assaulted and molested by Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh or not. And in this entire investigation, the Delhi police team also went to the Rohtak, the residence of minor, and also to other places as well of the family members. And finally, a 500-page, the 550-page closure report of POSCO case has been filed in the Patiala House Court. The other charge sheet, the final report, Shivangi, is of the 1,000 pages of other allegations of sexual assault, molestation, and misappropriate touching and stalking by Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. The allegations were leveled by the wrestlers. More than 170 witnesses recorded their statement along with the complainants to the police official, and after thorough investigation, today the charge sheet of the very important sexual allegation against Brij Bhushan is being filed by the police official in the Rouse Avenue Court. We have to wait and watch, because in the POSCO there's a closure report, but in the other allegations, what are the charges which have been framed against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh will be seen by us in some time, because right now Delhi police officials are inside the court of the magistrate, and they are submitting their report, which is a 1,000-page report, because a detailed investigation in this entire allegation was done. In fact, the Delhi police official also visited the residence of Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh some time back to gather the evidence of the allegations of the year 2016, which was leveled by the complainant wrestlers against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. So Shivangi, for the another report, because we already knew that there were two reports which were being filed by the Delhi police official in this entire investigation. The one report has been filed, which was POSCO closure. The other report is being filed in the Rouse Avenue Court. The Delhi police team is already there. We have to wait for some time for the Delhi police official's lawyer to come out and speak to media exactly what are the charges which has been framed against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh in the entire allegation. So Shivangi, we have to wait for some more time for the other charge sheet to come in public, or the Delhi police official lawyer to tell us exactly what are the charges on the other allegation. Back to you, Shivangi.
Yes, Harsha. So the closure report has been submitted. That means a POSCO case against Brij Bhushan Sharan will be dropped. But let's go through the other allegations. Now, as the 1,000-page charge sheet will be submitted by Delhi police, we are seeing a lot of developments as well. Now, what we are seeing is that heavy security deployed outside the Delhi residence of Brij Bhushan ahead of the filing of the charge sheet. Now, take us through all the other allegations coming in right now against Brij Bhushan, Harsha.
Exactly. Shivangi, I'll ask my camera person to take you to the main gate of the Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, because we are standing right outside his residence and the heavy security deployment has been done. Barricade has been put up in their place, because right now Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh lawyers are also in the Rouse Avenue Court. They're also there to know exactly what are the charges being framed up against him, because there is a sense of relief with Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh that the POSCO case is being dropped against him, because that was one of the most crucial allegation on him. But the other charge sheet in the Rouse Avenue Court, which involves the main faces, which involves the major complainant, which involves the Olympian wrestlers, where they have complained and also told us the year 2016, 2017 in Turkey, in Mongolia, and in fact in other competition abroad and in domestic as well, where they were sexually harassed. They also clearly have given the evidences to the police official. The evidences, Shivangi, from both sides, wrestlers and Brij Bhushan Singh. Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh has been submitted to the police official, and that very evidence now police official are submitting in the court of Rouse Avenue. So we clearly know that there are almost 5 to 6 video evidences, and there's one entire report of 1,000 pages where the complainants, witnesses, their statements, everything has been recorded, from referee to coach to international coaches to the family members of the wrestlers to the place of the crime where exactly they have alleged that the crime has happened. So all these places have been investigated, and thoroughly interrogation has also been done in the by the police officer from the month of April to the month of June, because we know when Anurag Thakur met these wrestlers in the month of May, the Anurag Thakur gave the clear deadline to the police official that 15 June. By 15 June, Delhi police official will file their report in this entire Brij Bhushan versus wrestler tussle, the allegations which were being leveled. And today is a very crucial day. And yesterday onwards only we got to know that 12 o'clock will be the time when Delhi police official will submit their report. One report we already know has been made public, but another report, all eyes are on the charges of sexual assault, molestation, stalking, misappropriate touching, misconduct during the trials. These are the grave allegations which are put up. Exactly the charges will be framed according to these allegations. Did police found some sort of truth in this allegation? Were there some evidences from both sides which are provided in this entire allegation? That will be the most important point to look into the charge sheet. Right now, Shivangi, again showing you the visuals, because very high security has been beefed up outside the residence and inside the residence of Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. No one is allowed to meet today. No one is allowed to come today. None of the officials are allowed. None of the wrestlers from other places are allowed to meet him, as we see on the daily basis. In fact, since morning, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh has been completely silent in this entire issue. We have been talking to him several times, but he has not spoken since yesterday. Only yesterday it was when he spoke to Republic, where he clearly stated that he will also he believes in the law. He believes in the Delhi police official, and he will wait till the time charge sheet will be filed. So Shivangi, we should all eyes are on the charge sheet. It's just some time, in some another 15-20 minutes, that the details of the charge sheet will come to us, and we'll get to know exactly what charges has been framed up. Shivangi, back to you.